Hi, I'm Mike T, Account Manager here at SoundPro. We're in our Experience Center today and we're going to be talking about miking up a drum set for live performance. While there are many different ways to use microphones and experimentation is always encouraged, the purpose of this video is to give you a good basic starting point. First, we're going to mic up the kick drum. There's a few different ways that you can do this and each one has its own unique sound. First, I'm going to take the microphone and place it inside the port and point it at the beater. This is going to give you more of an attack type sound. Next, we're going to take the microphone outside of the port and leave it just inside. This will give you that attack, but also add more of the boom from the shell of the drum. Last, we're going to put the microphone on the outside of the head. This can be done if the kick drum does not have a port, but you can also use this to get a more balanced sound between the attack and the boom of the shell. Now we're going to mic up the snare drum. The easiest way is to mic the top head. What you do want to do is keep it out of the way of the drummer's stick. Here we're going to place this towards the edge of the drum, pointed down and slightly inward towards the center of the head. Now that we have the kick drum and the snare drum mic'd up, we're going to mic up the rack tom and the floor tom. And it's the same basic concept as the snare, where you want to keep the microphone out of the way of any errant stick hits. For larger rooms, you'll find it's necessary to mic the cymbals of the drum kit also. We'll use a microphone for the hi-hat and then we're also going to place overhead microphones about 1.5 feet above the cymbals and towards the outer edges to be able to catch the sound. Alright, so that pretty much covers miking up all the different components of a drum set. And remember, experimentation is key to getting your own personal sound. So I'm Mike T with SoundPro. Have a good time all the time.